Hi, my name is Robert Cadlick, Service Manager at Valentine Volvo. Today, I'm going to walk you through what to expect when you come in for your service appointment. When you arrive at Valentine Volvo, head to our service drive-through bay located on the north side of the building. Pull up close to the door. Don't worry, it will open automatically. Once you pull inside, one of our friendly service advisors will be there to greet you. We'll get you checked in, take your keys, and from that point on, your Volvo is in the hands of the most highly trained Volvo technicians in Canada. While we take care of your vehicle, you're welcome to relax in our lounge with a coffee. Catch a ride with one of our shuttle drivers, or make use of a service loaner. Whatever your day looks like, we'll keep you moving. Throughout your appointment, you'll receive text updates for a simple, transparent experience. And once your service is complete, we'll process your payment, either in person or conveniently by text. Your vehicle will be washed, weather permitting, and waiting for you when you return. We hope you found this video helpful, and we look forward to seeing you soon for your next service at Valentine Volvo.